First look of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Hey guys, so, some render and retail box images of the Mi 10 Ultra surfaced online, which shows the rear design of the phone. The most important difference between the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro and the Mi 10 Ultra is that there's a special design for the quad camera array on the rear. Speaking of the rear camera, at the top of the setup is the periscope telephoto lens, that gives it a whopping 120x zoom, and this suggests the telephoto lens has an optical zoom of 10x or above. The retail box has an equivalent image of the phone that the leaked banner shows. The Mi 10 Ultra is additionally coming in a transparent variant as well. According to a report by 91 Mobiles, the Mi 10 Ultra will come in these 4 storage options. And the color options are bright silver, ceramic black, and the transparent edition. Finally, there's support for 55 watts wireless charging. There are rumors that the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra has the overclocked Snapdragon 865, and not 865 Plus. 120Hz AMOLED display, an incredibly fast wired charging of 100 or 120 watts, and a 4500 mAh battery. The phone has Game Turbo feature, using which will customize the GPU, by adjusting the frequency and other parameters as per your need. On August 11th, Xiaomi will be celebrating its 10th anniversary, and on this special day, the company has planned to launch a couple of new devices. One among them will be the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, which could be the foremost powerful flagship under the Mi 10 lineup from the brand. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the Mi 10 Ultra. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.